Good afternoon. It is March 11th, 2025, and today we had a range day. So let's take a look at the 17,000 tick chart. I'm not sure what I drew this range from. Oh, it was this big move, I think. And yeah. But anyway, so yesterday we had a strong rally at the end of the day, sold off, and then in the overnight. So that's a break. That's a break of this bear channel and a move to a new low. And then we have this strong bull move up in the overnight, move to a new high, and that created a nice bear bar at the top of this range. And so we sold off and we formed this like spike and channel. And so we get this channel and we get a break, a bull break. And you can see there's a break of this bull move, move to a new high, and then we sell off to a new low, and then we just reversed very strongly. And so basically it's just a range day. Um, that's a nice place to consider getting long. So let's take a look at these trades today. There's a little bit too much going on here. I think I'm going to look at this chart. Nah, it's just got to look at this. So you can see this this channel down here. We had like a spiking channel. In the overnight. Um, it's just so hard to see with all this volume. It's hard to see what's going on. And so I think I'm just going to look at the 6,500 tick chart because you can see everything you need to. So in the overnight, we found ourselves in this spike and channel, and we continued to get resistance up here. So it's actually like a triangle. Al Brooks says that triangles often are final flags. But anyway, we break out to the high side and fail. And you could take this breakout pullback for a short. I think that's reasonable. It breaks below the EMA. Um, and that turns out to be a nice move down before we bounce. Two legs up after the break of this bull move. And then we bounce again. And we're in this channel. And again, you have it's like a triangle. And so can you go short here? I wouldn't because it looks like we're in a channel. And then we get a break and a move to a new high, and then we sell off very strongly. And then you get a hidden second entry short, followed by the lower high. And I think the best entry is right here. That failed second entry long, right at the EMA. And you can see a lot of people like that. And it looked like we were responding to the EMA at that point. I was hoping that we would break on lower, but we didn't. We found support down at the lows. We bounce, forming this wedge bottom. First entry, second entry. So you could take this in anticipation of the breakout failing. We did create a gap above the EMA here, though. You have to be aware of that. And then we found support here and made a higher low and bounced out. And so you could argue for this one too. I just don't like all the overlap here. And so boom, and then selling or going sideways here. And it really felt like we were going to get a strong breakout, which we did, and the strong breakout failed though. And it probably just made a measured move of of this. Yeah, perfect measured move. And so you do get a lower high here, sells off. Uh, boom. This kind of looks like a second entry short, but I mean we're ranging. It's very hard to pull the trigger on these. Maybe you take this lower high in anticipation of a test of the lows from this channel. This channel fizzles out and we get this super strong reversal. And it's confusing because this looks, like a healthy correction. This not so much because there's all these dojis. Um, but it just kept on going. So uh, you can see that long I was talking about in the beginning of the video, it looks like it would have trapped you out. So I don't know where I don't know what time frame I was looking at that on. This is a nice long too though. So anyway, that's how I saw it today. Here's the daily chart. It looks like doesn't it's not really clear what's going to happen here because there's about 30 minutes till the market closes, but that's how I saw it today. I hope everyone had a great day. I'll be back tomorrow.